Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing the GIGABYTE Radeon RX 9070 XT Gaming OC16G graphics card, a high-performance GPU built for gamers, streamers, creators, and enthusiasts who want next-generation power for demanding titles and productivity workloads. With 16GB GDDR6 memory, factory overclocking, and PCIe 5.0 support, this graphics card is designed to push modern gaming to the next level. The first standout feature is the 16GB of GDDR6 VRAM, giving this card massive memory capacity for modern AAA games, ultra-resolution textures, 1440p max settings, strong 4K gaming, streaming, and creative workloads like video editing or 3D rendering. More VRAM means better future readiness and smoother handling of memory-heavy tasks. Built around AMD's latest architecture, the RX 9070 XT is made for strong raster performance, better efficiency, modern gaming technologies, and faster responsiveness. This makes it a serious choice for users upgrading from older GPUs or building a premium new system. This is the Gaming OC edition, meaning GIGABYTE applies a factory overclock for extra performance right out of the box. That can deliver higher frame rates and stronger benchmark results without manual tweaking. Combined with GIGABYTE's cooling system, it helps maintain stable temperatures during long gaming sessions. Another key feature is PCIe 5.0 support, giving the card access to next-gen platform bandwidth and compatibility with newer motherboards. While current gaming gains may vary, it positions the system well for modern hardware ecosystems. In gaming performance, this GPU is ideal for 1440p Ultra settings with high refresh rates and can deliver excellent 4K performance in many titles depending on the game and CPU pairing. Expect strong results in games like Cyberpunk 2077, Warzone, Forza Horizon, Fortnite, Apex Legends, Elden Ring, and future AAA releases. For connectivity, you get modern display outputs for high refresh monitors, multi-screen battle stations, creator setups, and large format displays. It's a great fit for users running multiple monitors. Who should buy this card? If you want a powerful next-gen AMD GPU with lots of VRAM, factory tuning, and premium gaming performance, the GIGABYTE RX 9070 XT Gaming OC16G is an excellent choice. Thanks for watching. If this review helped you, check the link below to buy now, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and support the channel for more daily tech reviews.